The Central Jakarta Police have arrested a suspect named Rizka Deborah in a Coldplay concert ticket scam case that allegedly cost Rp 5.1 million in loss to victims. People who purchased the tickets said Rizka claimed to personally know the promoter and have access to tickets.
The police had investigated claim and upheld the suspect because it based on fact report from six alleged victims of the ticket fraud. This case, Deborah we arrested the and freestyling of on Friday 17th of November.
Good morning everyone, it's November 30 with G5 show. I'm Bella and the police will take over your morning for next few minutes from you on.
I woman named Jessica Deborah Aritona was named of a suspect referred by the Central Jakarta Metropolis Chief Commissioner at press conference on Monday 20 of November 2020. The, su- the suspect was present at the press conference uncovered and wearing an orange Russian jumpsuit.
Each victim report a varying amount of loss. The first report was filed by a victim with initials FVS who believed they were purchasing 700 tickets for Rp 1.33 billion. The second report was filed by US who bought 600 false tickets for 1.3 billion.
The third reporter was obtained as US bought 400 of the fake tickets for 41.1 million, and Jan CL filed a reporter with losses totaling 230 million.
Rizka Deborah was charged under Article 378 of the Criminal Code on fraud and Article 372 of the Criminal Code on embezzlement with a maximum penalty of 4 years in prison.
Will correspond Naomi Simanjuntak has the little know on that story. Will give it to you now.
Thank you, Ilham. From now on, I will take for Coldplay concert still in Indonesia. Aesthetic many people, not only fans but also attract not fans. Here we go to Torso and also the team from Pro Culture Giska Deborah. Okay, can you explain this cause from your point of view?
I found this ticket was selling on Twitter, and because I want to attend the concert, I decide to buy it from her. At the moment, I don't know if it could be a fraud case because she is so nice and kind to me when I chat her on DM. She said I must to pay the ticket first, so I paid it through banking, and she told me to wait for get my ticket. But after a while, it waited too long, so I chat her again, but her contact is not active anymore. I was so confused and tried to ask another buyer, but they said they have been misguided from it. I knew my money will never come back, and the ticket was just triggered from her to get my money.
Can I ask why did you verify she here to do you have met her on real life?
No, I don't. I trust her because there were so many people bought ticket from her, so I thought they was trusted. Also, I don't know the comment on her tweet is real or not, but many of comment on her tweet mentioned that she was trusted.
Okay, I got it. Can you mention the chronology from your point of view?
Not like Yosafat. I found her from Instagram. She has a lot of followers, so I also thought that she was trustworthy. I started to DM her Instagram, and I like what Yosafat said. She was very keen and so nice. That's why I decided to book a ticket from her. I buy it drugs and e-wallet and give the payment proof to her, and she said that she will give me an online ticket. But yeah, after a while she is not active on social media anymore. I found Yosafat Twitter account in comments section and invite her to make a report about this case to the police. Then she joined me and many more people who has been victim of her.
So you thought your eyes drinking at the beginning. I see. What was the response from the police? Will you report it?
Yes, at the beginning we were just a stranger. At the police station, we have been asked for a few questions, Then the police said we must wait for the next step. But the police never called me again. Since that day, but apparently I saw the news that she has been arrested. As quick as I saw that news, I immediately contacted Rio to go to the police station to ask for compensation.
Yeah, but wait a minute. There were so many reporters, and they asked me for some interview.
I see. I promise you entirely how much loss do you preface with?
I pay around 10 million to her, but I don't know if she give another people the same price or not.
Okay, for you,
Yes.
Yosafat, how much you have spent for the conflict?
I spent around 15 million for the ticket, but I was give her tip around 200,000 rupiah.
There were all loss of night. I have will give you pension. Okay, Mister, I get that. Thank you for your participation for discussion, and I will let Ilham to take over again from studio.
Yeah, thank you for the interview, Naomi. From now on, I will take over. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think this case made much losses from many people. Also, they sometimes get into a problem because they lost that much of money. But what do you think about this? Will leave it up to you. This is Ilham and your police, the five. So we'll be back. Thank you.
Udah selesai.
Good morning. It's again from the five souls. We are ready to accompany your morning with update news that is certainly informative. Let me introduce
Nih, di titik-titik itu nama lu, terus ini nama Walis.
Let me introduce Ilham and my colleague Nurholis, who will accompany the morning for the next few minutes. Today there is a lot of update news that is certainly very interesting to discuss.
That right, starting from the first now, which is the holding a great fact that is draft locus redis. Living is something the soul not done because it is something that can have a negative impact on nature and from local reside. Land feeding can damage the surrounding environment and even because the says is this is what disturbs local reside.
Many residents have contracted disease due to the grapevine landfill, even though local residents have made a ban, but the ban is ignored by irresponsible people. This condition is quite alarming. To monitor the condition, there is already a reporter now made.
Good morning, everyone. At home, I am Naomi reporting from Tapos, West Java. I am now ring in from of the Locantion where the garbage Locantion is distributing the local residents. This is not just a small problem, is I live
Nggak apa-apa Pak.
until it will I did impact. I am here with a local resident. Good morning.
Ya Pak.
Allow me to interrupt your time moment. What was this with before?
I am Yosafat, a local resident who live in front of this landfill. I feel very disturbed by this landfill.
Since when is this landfill been happening? Did the dispensary just silent during the dumping?
Since the year 2000, this dumping has been going on. That's why it's getting worse. Of course not. Many have criticized the action because it is considered detrimental.
Apparently, this has been going on for a while since inventory been money in Spain's closet with this landfill.
Already, many events have occurred due to the impact of this landfill. For the nature around here, it can be seen that it is no longer beautiful, and the surrounding environment becomes smelly and rundown.
That it's the truth of this. The impact is quite a lot and dangerous too. Then if the local residents hit them to reduce this. What is? How do you do it?
Very often, we as local people keep trying to clean up this dumping site. We do waste reduction almost every 3 months. You make a special schedule for the community service.
But has this issue been taken to a more decisive stage?
We as residents have held a meeting to discuss this. Now the young people are trying to make a change. They are still pressing the fillet head here.
So, do you think this incident has made it into the news. And what are you face after this?
I feel happy and touched because after so many years, this news can be seen by many people. It opens up opportunities to be heard by the government. Hopefully, the government can help follow up, and hopefully, the irresponsible people can come to their sense.
I am very proud of the choisiness of the local people. Hopefully, the efforts of the local people will come true. Will this all from me reporting from Tapos, West Java?
Udah nyalain.
That's very cool. It makes the sense of Unita stronger, but even so, we hope that there will be no more landfilling.
That's right. I hope the village in the area can be because again I hope the irresponsible people will realize it will it those feel like it's been a long time since we accompanied you. I'm not police.
And Haya Ilham, we say goodbye and thank you. Mr. Wiro, the principal high school of Nusa Indah High School, was allegedly caught with bag of cash in his house by the police officer. It is suspected that Mr. Wiro used as much as 200 million rupiah and has 50 million rupiah in his bank at his home.
The investigator believed his testimony he was received as a bribe from parents student for not dropping off the cylinder from Nusa Indah High School. It is suspected the Mr. Wiro asked for 20 million rupiah for his children from not dropping they out from to the school.
Good morning, everyone. It's November 27 with the Vibe Show. I'm Ilham and your police has your morning off.
Competition in SMA Nusantara and Nusantara Nusa Indah was caused by the police officer the physical force. It's the surprise that the surprise keep his break money in a bank account as most as from 100 million rupiah and but at his house as much 5 million rupiah.
The suspect, Mr. Wiro, already away shortly after the police broke down the door of his house. To stop the escape, the police shot the suspect in the leg, but unfortunately missed.
A total from 20 victims were recorded as ceding 20 million rupiah to the suppressed account. They resist in to protect their children from being expelled from school, but unfortunately the success broken this agreement. The will as many aspects 5 people who should lose because in the end their shield were still explained from school.
Well, correspondent Naomi has let us host that story from Nusa Indah High School.
Thank you, Ilham. From now on, I will be take over. I think this causes not only causes personal losses, but the intentional activity Nusa in school losses as well. Where we got to question Mr. Rio and Mr. Rio Sabat as I school committee. Okay, Miss, can you explain about what did you know from this question?
Actually, I did. Now I think about the case. But a few days ago, there is a student who come to me and said that she went here. Money big. At the moment, I don't know anything about where did the money go, so I tell her to go to administration staff. But after that, she said she went to administration, but they reject her. That was so sad for her. Confusion.
There was so sad. Yosapat, do you know anything?
I do when I went to school a month ago with one of the student parents, whom also part of the committee. They say that she was spent some lots of money to save her child from dropping out. I was confused at the times because about the say I don't know what should I do. So I called Rio yesterday and we do make a report to the police. At the police station, I was asked for a lot of information, but unfortunately, I do not know anything except that story I was new. So I can't say anything to the police officer.
Did you ever read about anything will happen to you after this? Maybe the threesome meeting people been to school not explain about what do you.
Afraid, of course, but I can't ignore her suffer the time. I was keep it for a long time too. So if I don't tell the police, maybe I will feel guilty forever. Also, I don't want this to be happen forever because it could bring the school name into disrepute.
That is good exception with this John Dution. But Mister, can you tell me about Mister Rio because before this?
Honestly, I haven't met him since 3 weeks ago, so I can't tell you anything. But he do call me at a week ago. He called me to discuss some event we will do at the school next month. And he just like usually, there is no sign that he is the suspect. But I think Rio did know about his behavior because he meet him every week.
Mr. Rio, can you tell me about his behavior like afraid maybe or like he was injection?
I weeks ago hung like he was kissed by sometime. He looked big and anxious and not comfortable through the meat. At first, I took advice just because of family matters, but apparently Yosafat called me and told me about this case. So maybe he was insecure because several parents who were also victims of terrorism him. Maybe they want him to bring the money back because they feel cheated.
I see. Hey, what do I seek to meeting? Sensitive. It's okay, miss.
Of course, for this case, you can ask anything to us.
Mister, are you be part of this victim? Did you also spend some small money to save your child from dropping out?
No, I'm not. I've never spent anything for save my child from dropping out or get him out of trouble he made at school. Because I do believe in him. He will save himself to get out from this trouble.
How about you, mister? Did you ever try to spend your money for this?
Of course not, but maybe there is group of parents who provide information about the case to its author. Because at one time after we finished our meeting, I heard that there was a child who will get expelled from school. But when I asked my doctor about that student, my doctor said that he was not expelled from school and he is still doing his swab. Also one day my doctor tell me that there was a group of bullying in her school, and I am as a parent to report it to school principal and teacher. But unfortunately there is not reply from team.
Okay, mister, I get then. Thank you for your participation for this case and I will let Rio to take cover again from studio.
Ilham cok.
Rio,
Ilhamnya tuh apa? Delvino Ilham.
Thank you, Naomi. This case not only caused a loss from student parents, but also meant tribute for the school.
From the police information, it is known that the suspect is still being pursued and will have this case fully resolved and the perpetrator was immediately jailed.
It doesn't feel like the two of us have accompanied you for several minutes. This is the first show with Ilham and Horis. Excuse. Thank you.
Apa yang dimatiin? Videonya.
Good afternoon, viewers. See you again on the later now. So the five show. I am Kholis and my collection Ilham will be with today. As always, we start off with some interesting and information news, of course.
The first news we will present is about a typical food from Betawi that is now increasingly sought after with its interesting modification and unique flavors. Yes, that's right, pancong. Pancong is a food that still shows its existence until now. It is not uncommon for hangout places to make meat as a menu, even the main menu. One of which is a hangout place in the West Java area.
This hangout place is called Kedai Mate. Kedai Mate is a place where a lot of beginners gather of play, discuss of quality time with trade partner median tenure. This location is on the Jalan Anggur Raya Sukatani, Tapos Depok. To show how the place looks like, I leave it to the out reporter Naomi.
Okay, thank you, Josaphat. See you again with me, Naomi. This team I am at Elocantion where this is I hang hot place. There is vegetarian with young people divided in Depok, namely Kedai Mate RIM also is I custom or Kedai Mate. Please introduce yourself first.
Hello, I am Yosafat. I come here quite often.
Hi, I am Rio. Me and Yosafat come here often.
How do you find out about this hangout? Where did you find out about it?
I found out about this place from social media. When I found out about this shop, I was interested to come here. I also come here because it was close to my house.
How many minutes is the distance between you and this shop? It means you come here pretty often because of the proximity of your option.
About 10 minutes from my house, this the shop. Yes, because the distance is not far. I also come here.
Then what about you? Yosafat? You come to know about this shop? What makes you come here with it often? Do you think this price is comfortable And now,
I found out about this place because a friend told me about it. Incidentally, my friend invited me to this shop to the assignment and discuss. The place is quite comfortable. Yes, for assignment.
so what makes you come to this shop pretty often? It is practice I got pleased to replace.
Because the price is worth it for student. So after school, this place is suitable for discussion or assignment. Together, of course, it's not common for people to use it as a quality time with their partner.
So, what about the taste? What is your favorite menu in this shop?
The taste is really worth the price because there are so many good dishes here that are also filling. My favorite is definitely the pancong with turtle fat on top. I give it a 10 out of 10 rating.
I agree with Josaphat. Food here is quite appropriate for the price, good the food and drink at enough to fill the stomachs. Pancong, my favorite menu in this shop. Very delicious. I love the half cooked pancong with chocolate cheese variation.
How about the service here? Can the service the customer deal with the charged customer?
The service here is okay. With many customers, they can still serve customer well. Even so, the order takes a long time to make.
I agree with Josaphat. Service here is quite good, especially with many customers. They can handle it well.
Yes, the employees here can also adjust to young people, so they can make good service.
Yes, that's right. They may also be young people so that they can follow the trend or adjust to us where many customers here are students.
Feel this shop is interesting too. What were you disappointed with the service? And what is your message to those visiting?
To be honest, I have when my orders took a while to be served. But like I said earlier, it was because the shop were busy at the time, so it made me wait a long time.
That's right. I have also experienced that. Maybe for new people who come to this place, they will be ignorant because they can wait to eat the food.
Yes, very true. Yo, but for me and my friend, it is something that we already understand.
And the reason we understand it is that they can attract their customers by playing trendy music so that the customer will not be bored. That's why I said the service is almost perfect. Oh yeah, don't forget to stop by this shop so you can enjoy the delicious half cooked pancong.
I totally agree. Looking forward to seeing you at this place because it's really cozy zone, guys.
I am ready. Is drink in jam here. Thank you for your time. From Kedai Mate Depok reporting back to the studio. Thank you.
Thank you to our collection. Naomi will go her what to go to Kedai Mate. I think I will visit the shop. I am very proud that traditional specialty can continue to exist until now.
I want to visit that shop too, but our time with you has come to an end. We from the 5 shows take our leave. That's all and thank you.
Matiin.
Good afternoon. Permis back again to our games program on the 5 shows. Let me, Muhammad Rafi Ilham and Bruno Morris, accompany you for the 2 minutes.
Today let's begin with the triple hand. Now of to Tigana who won the taekwondo competition from various provinces where the competition is a big competition and a national scale. Later the champion will be passed as an adhere to the part in other international champions competitions.
This national competition was held at the Gelora Bung Karno Stadium, which took place today in the morning. Let's hand it over to Naomi.
Good afternoon, viewer. See you again with me. Naomi reporting live from GBK Studio, Jakarta. Today's taekwondo competition was attended by tenaga participants from representatives of provinces in Indonesia. The competition is now over and 3 out of names now were the winner with a young athlete Mit Yosafat and Rio. Both are young athletes who have participated in many other national competitions until now. They are still developing to those extraordinary achievements. Today's winter is concerned with this useful atmosphere. Let me be because our suspension. Hi, good afternoon, guys. Because the please introduce yourself.
Hi, good afternoon. I am Yosafat, a taekwondo athlete from West Java province.
Hello everyone, I am Rio. Just like Yosafat, I am also a taekwondo athlete from West Java province.
Okay, how do you feel about being a champion in this competition, and what preparations do you make to become the champion?
I feel very happy to be able to participate in this competition because in this competition I can meet many great people and youths and friends who are also athletes like me. It is an honor for me to be the winners in this competition. The only preparation I did was practicing as well and praying to good and asking for prayers from my parents and friends.
It's an honor for you to be able to participate this competition. I personally feel happy and of course proud to be able to get to this point. What I do for this competition is practicing extra to get maximum result, and just like my friend Rio, the most important thing is to pray.
Do you expect to win this championship? And were you worried that you wouldn't win the championship?
I didn't expect to be the winner. This is a national competition, and this is my first time participating in a competition like this. Yes, of course, I felt a little worried at first because this competition was followed by young athletes like me from various provinces, and because this is a competition that is watched by many people, but I asked everyone for prayer to get this victory.
I honestly did expect this a big competition that is participated by young athletes who are qualified, of course. At first, I was worried, but the worry started to disappear when I practiced and started to believe in myself. Just like Yosafat, I asked for praise to everyone before starting this competition.
Separately, do you have any obstacles before joining this championship?
There were no major obstacles, but if you say there are no obstacles, not really. At the time, I sprained my ankle while practice. I practiced extra like I said at the beginning. It happened almost every time I practiced. I initially thought I would be able to continue the match, but because of the care taken by my parents, I got better quickly.
Is all worth it? How about you, Rio?
There are definitely obstacles, especially since this is a big event. To be honest, from the beginning of the preparation until the competition approached. There were a lot of obstacles. Just like Yosafat, I also often had small accident in training. Then another obstacle was when my body suddenly dropped because I was too exhausted for this preparation.
This throughout the exhibiting, this victory was not an easy thing to do. Three was a long process to make team champion. What is your message to your parent and relative?
My message is to thank you my parents, coach and friend for their prayers and support. I hope this victory can open the gate of my success as a taekwondo athlete.
I thank my parents because of their prayers and support that I can get here. Not to forget my coach, who has worked hard to make me success in this situation. Also my friends who always give positive energy to me. I hope this is the beginning of my success.
Okay, thanks to Rio and Yosafat for taking the time. This all we can report from GPK Stadion, Jakarta.
Thank you to all reporter of reporting. Narration by N. See you again on the 5 show.
Good morning, Indonesia. It's Saturday on November. I am Muhammad Rafi Ilham and non-police with the 5 show as the morning of TikTok shop and e-commerce from social media TikTok officially banned from Indonesia after borrowing this content from small business and traditional markets.
The president of TikTok shop in which select called also promote their brand was see and taking away the customer from traditional market. The government officially closing the TikTok shop on Wednesday, October 4, 2023 at 17 o'clock which refers to government regulation Minister of Trade Regulation number 3 1 of 2023 and Minister of Trade Regulation number 5 of 2020 close regulation led to the official closure of the TikTok shop on the ground that the social commerce had become a place promotion and that tradition we profit.
This closure actually reaped many contra from TikTok users themselves by making a TikTok video which elaborate why TikTok shop is better than traditional markets.
On the other hand, my trade on the TikTok who also trade off and has an offline market to do not escape this culture and this regular Santi Rahmawati, trader on TikTok Shop, said the income from TikTok Shop sales is actually more profitable than selling offline. Selling on via live on
Okay, thank you, Ilham. And now everyone, as you know, TikTok Shop has been in Indonesia after discounting from all of the from traditional market. Now I am here with Yosafat and Chiprucher from TikTok platform and Rio and Elvis I trader from TikTok. Okay guys, can you elaborate how TikTok shop works?
When I'm influence some, I use many products first and try to compare them to finish the best product. Then I will tell people through of TikTok video. And there's an option when you can turn on an option card, which is there is the product you want to tell people.
For me, I pay someone famous to make a promotion about my product, and that promotion can be a TikTok video or a photo. Also, I put my link for my shop in my view, and I put my product on a yellow card so that every people who was influenced can buy my product.
I'll be with us an influencer and trader. How do you feel about this browser policy?
As an influencer, I think it's very detrimental for an influencer like me, because we lose the opportunity to get endorsement.
I agree. As an influencer, but also as a trader, I think it's very detrimental for all people, because selling on an e-commerce is Easter and .net an extra place for store. We can use our house as our store.
Apart from it, what do you think about the money in from the traditional market regarding the e-commerce?
I think it's because their loyal customers, because they move into an online store and concentrated from traditional market do not accept that the customer move into an online store.
Yeah, right. I think it's because usually they get a lot people bought their product, but when the rival commissary can find out how can deal with that condition.
I see wood, but the John Didion, what do you do to deal with?
Influencing people, of course, in social media. Then I will endorse an influencer with many followers. It is more suitable for this condition in this era.
Aha, of course, I do think about the same opinion. The same opinion. I see many people get influenced, and we a lot of product after saying that influencer at or wear the product.
Do you think is the three and the other way to avoid this John Didion?
It's kinda difficult for us who don't know about the regulation of law. But I think rather or in the traditional market can use a social media to instead of so everywhere about that.
Did you join the opinion?
No, I didn't. I think there's no other way to solve this case because there are a lot of people who doesn't know how to join or selling their product in social media.
So you think this is trick to win with TikTok shop from Indonesia?
No, of course. No, of course not. But if there is no more we can do, I think that is the best choice.
Yeah, of course. It's not the right choice because there is another e-commerce said would pay were just fine about that.
Yeah, not even complain, even there are more lot of people shopping in there instead of TikTok shop. Reporter,
Okay, one list question. If TikTok shop will open again Indonesia, what do you think?
I would be happy, of course, but maybe it will take a long time to wait.
yeah, I will happy to hear it because when it get banned, I get trouble. When I can find the thing I see on TikTok.
Yeah, you have to decide for where the product is sell and a lot of people lost interest in some product because of that problem.
Okay guys, thank you very much for your opinion, I will get this back to police on studio. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for the interview, Naomi. From now on, I will take over. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think a lot of people have a contra about this situation. Also, they sometimes get into a problem. But what do you think about this police? We leave it up to you. This is Muhammad Rafila, Federal Police. The 5 show will be back. Thank you.
Matiin bro.